Hey guys, this is Megan with 1000 Generation Farms. Kind of just slow around here on the farm. Kind of funny that I say that because harvest is right around the corner. But we're going to change the oil in Joseph's pickup, so we'll kind of just show you how we do that. Otherwise, I think that's about it. So, won't you come farming with us? So this is the truck we're doing. Usually driven every day. Chevy Silverado 1500. 95, I believe. So we're gonna change the oil. An oil filter? Gotcha. I asked him if he'd change the oil in the yard instead of by the shed so I could video him.
Oh, wow.
Whoa.
A lot low. Whoops. Holy crap, that's really low. Good lands. I must have a leak in my radiator or something.
That's not good.
Daddy.
I'll show you what he's doing. He's gonna change the oil. We'll put the oil pan down there.
Whoop.
Get his tools out. That's what he does.
Daddy.
Yep, he's going under there and he's gonna unscrew something. And then all the oil will fall into the pan. You can lay down there with him if you want.
Hey. Yeah, right.
You can get up there. You can get up there, that's fine. You're looking at Daddy's tools. Good job.
Oh, gosh dang it. I didn't bring a paper towel in there.
Want to go get some? Flies are wonderful out here.
At University of Phoenix, your experience matters. That's why we created our new Savings Explorer tool for you to see how your work, life, and school experience
There it
can help you
goes.
earn your degree faster and direct.
Get a nice shot of your armpit.
Oh, yeah?
Yep.
You see? You see it? Here. Thank you.
Thank you.
I'll put that in.
So Joseph said he used a 9/16 to take that bolt out. The bolt's in here. He wiped it off a little bit. Even though we do maintain this truck, it has some things, some issues with it that we need to keep working on.
Mommy.
Okay, just a minute, Pumpkin. So this is a filter wrench, and we've used this like on the combine too, in the 3010.
Yeah.
Is it a little different?
No, yeah, all it does is just, it goes around the filter and it just clamps and you turn it.
Okay. I feel like I've used it.
Mommy.
I had a big one I had to use on the combine.
Oh, maybe that's what it was. Woohoo! Doing bubbles on the side here. Woohoo! Well, I hear something raining.
That didn't work.
Probably gonna be dry by the time you get it out.
Son of a buck.
This is what happens, folks, when you have some auto body do it. And then you do it yourself. You put it on too tight. Ding, 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 ding. We got it. You must have got it. It's a fun job, huh? There's a lot coming out of there. Real quick, I'll show you guys the... Oh, that's not the right bottle, just joking. Where's your...
Cheers.
This is the filter. Maybe Joseph will walk a little closer.
Huh?
You can come over here. I showed you guys the box, but we have music on, so hopefully I don't get copyrighted on this video. 1036 gold filter from Napa. So he'll basically screw that one in where that blue one was, and then he'll put more oil in, right? Correct.
I just go as tight as I can make them with my hand. That's just me.
Makes sense, because
It says you go hand tight, and then you go half turn, I think. So, and I take, I don't know, maybe I don't put them on tight enough, but I've got that gasket on there. It should seal up good enough. You don't have to go super tight. I mean, there's no need for it.
yeah, the other guys are probably using a tool, right? So they just do it.
Well, yeah, I mean, he probably went 3/4 turns after it was tight, but still, I don't even think there's a need for that tight.
Of course, we got Thomas and some marbles helping with the oil change today. There's the dipstick. Doop-a-doop-a-doop. If you've ever changed oil in any car, you'd know. Probably that. And earlier, when I showed you guys a video of Joseph, he was putting coolant in here. He said it's leaking, so there must be something going on with the radiator, maybe. Hey, you want to watch something? I want to show you something. We just got this from our local Napa. But you can get oil from Walmart. Just kind of depends what you want. The quality.